I totally agree. Essentially, like what we're asking is the customer wants something, and the customer has a vision, maybe, or maybe they're trying to discover a new idea, and then there's like this ideal output out there somewhere that would make them happy and delight them and give them a lot of value. Between like their input and then the ideal output for them, there's like choosing the right the AI system, and it's not necessarily one model. It could be like a number of models, and I think that's where like the AI team plays a role. Like, what is the right system? What is the right base? And I think you're right as well. Prompt engineering is going to play a huge role. And as Dave said, like Dave's like a perfect prompt engineer, and is somebody who loves the customer and is willing to iterate like through n number of cycles to find that right, that the right prompt. Um, just an interesting point there as well. There's this idea of like expertise. An expert is like somebody who's like learned something and knows it from experience. I think one of the really interesting and fun things about a lot of these models is that even the people who made them are experts on them. Like, it often happens, like an R&D center will come up and give us a model and we have to test it, and they'll tell us like all these things about the model, and then like within like a few minutes of us testing it, we've already like falsified like a lot of those assumptions. Nobody's an expert in like prompt engineering. It just takes like a love of the end use and the customer and the product, and just willing to be patient with it.